Today we're unboxing this turkey and fish fryer kits. So it's quite a big box. It's really heavy too. There's a bunch of stuff in it. There's this. And there's the main thing, like the stand. We'll take a look. Cardboard. Not sure what this is. That's another container. More cardboard and a massive container. Like a garbage can looking thing. Another very, very big container. I think that's everything. Oh, one more thing. And another container.
Alright, so it looks like this is obviously the one for the turkey.
Yeah.
And then the small one is probably for the fish, right? If you wanted to fry some fish.
This one's for the fish, and then those, maybe for smaller turkeys or smaller fish. So then you probably have to put it in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
then we connect this gas line to the propane.
Propane, yeah. If you're interested in buying this, we'll put the link below.